Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to carry on with the machine gun script, and what we're going to do is we're going to work on how many bullets are actually fired depending if we've selected single, shot, semi or fully automatic. So with that said, we need to create another public int. I'm just going to put mine here, so public int underscore, and let's call this, let's say, bullets left per press. Close that line off into the comments, and it's the usual comment: create variable to store the bullets left to be fired per trigger press. And with that said, we'll come to the void start. I'm going to put mine next to this line here. So we'll say again, bullets per press is going to equal the underscore fully automatic bullets per press also. Obviously, if you are having your count set to a different value, whether it be 0 or 1, you need to change these variables here. And I'll just say in the comments that we are going to make the bullets left per press equal to the fully automatic bullets per press. And now we'll scroll down to the void update. So let's have a look here. Excuse me. And this needs to go in the get button up. And we're going to say reset bullets, open and close brackets, close the line off, don't worry about the red error for now. And I'm just going to say we're going to call this function. So let's just copy and paste that into the comments first. And then to get rid of the error, we'll create that function. It can be of type private void. So reset bullets, open and close brackets, open and close again. So as you can see, that has now got rid of that error. And then we're going to come down to if mg trigger is held equals true, and then we're going to find the if statements where it says if, and in fact we'll do it to this one. We could do it on every one, but this one would be better. So if current machine gun clip equals 0, and we're just going to put the 2 vertical bars that mean or, and we're going to say underscore bullets left per press also double equals 0. We'll break that line up for commenting. We'll just move the comment back to what is now the first line. If current clip equals 0, or the bullets left per press also equals 0. And let's come actually to the top of that function. And let's copy one of these if blocks. And we're just going to swap out the variables. So underscore bullets left per press is less than 0. We'll make it equal to 0 to avoid any errors. Obviously remembering to change the comment as well. We'll just copy and paste that onto the next line. So where we are now, we have how many bullets there should be, how many bullets are left to be fired, and we're setting it in void start. We're preventing a negative value. We're saying if it is negative, again, return just like it was before. So let's have a look now. And I'm going to put this after we call the machine gun shoot function. So this line here. And we're going to say bullets left per press minus minus, close that line off. So we're going to say minus the or it would be better to say minus from the bullets left per press. Let's just save that off. And let's come now to the late update. And what we're going to do is we're going to change some of this out. Let's have a look now. And I'll put this beneath. We're going to create another private void. And let's give this a naming convention. Let's say weapon mode select. We'll open and close brackets. We'll open and close again. And we're going to come and we're going to copy all 3 if blocks for the settings counter into this new function. So now we've got those in. Let's just delete them from the late update. And these if statements here, they can also, I'll just cut this time, and they can go into the weapon mode select. We can get rid of these 2 brackets, and all we're going to say now is if we hit the weapon mode button, we'll just call that function. So let's just copy and paste that into the comments. We'll just quickly tidy these up. So not a big change there, but it will make things run a lot better. So as for the reset bullets, And we'll actually use the weapon mode select function. Let's copy, we're just going to copy the if lines. So if the counter equals 0, if it equals 1, and if it equals 2. And we'll come to this line and we're going to say bullets left per press equals the single shot bullets per press, sorry. Let's close that line off and we'll say then reset, and let's just copy that in. Bullets left per press to equal single shot selected. Now we can just copy that line, we'll paste it in here. Obviously we're going to change this to semi-automatic bullets per press. We'll also paste it in here as well. Let's get this all done together. So we'll change this to fully automatic bullets per press. And we'll just change those out in the comments. And let's save that off there. We'll downsize Visual Studio. Now it's done recompiling, we'll hit start and we'll just run through and see how things are working now. So let's come to our scene. Let's now, we'll display the machine gun script, we'll select the machine gun. So as you can see, bullets left per press. So if I leave the button down, it's only when I release. And unfortunately, yes, the inspector's sort of running a little bit slow. It's not updating correctly, but you know, it's still working, so that's the main thing. So it's still single shot, and when I lift off the button, you can see the bullets left per press go down and jump straight back up if I hold it down. If I move to semi-automatic, let's reload. So it should stop after 3 if I hold down the button, so let's try that. And as you can see, that is now working, and we'll leave it here for this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.